Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can reset or erase your game data inside of Steam so that you can either start the game from scratch or just get rid of its data for whatever reason. Now before we start, I will mention that you'll only be able to do this on single player offline games, as multiplayer online games like Fortnite for instance will save your data on their own cloud servers and therefore it won't be possible to erase this data. But for any offline local games that you have installed in Steam, we'll be able to do this just by simply launching up the Steam application. And then in the top left here, we need to come over to Steam and select settings. Then from the left hand side, come down to cloud, and you'll need to ensure that this option at the top here, enable Steam Cloud, is disabled, as you won't be able to delete the data without disabling this first. So we can then close out of here. And then next you need to head over to the library tab at the top, and then you just need to locate the game of the data that you're trying to erase. So for this example, I'm going to demonstrate this on Age of Empires at the top here, and we're just going to right click on this, come over to manage and then select browse local files. And what you're looking for inside of here is a folder called something like save game, or it could be called saved games or just saves, but it's likely to have save in the name here. And you can even use the search feature up here just to search for save and hit enter. And if you do have a folder inside of here like save game, we're just going to double click to come inside of here, and then you can press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select everything. And then we're going to right click and then just delete everything inside of here. So that's going to go ahead now and delete all of our local saved data. And if we come back one folder to where we were previously, then another place that you might be able to find your saved data is in a file called save.ini. So once again, you can just use this search feature at the top here and search for save.ini. And once again, if you do have a file in here called save.ini, then you can just simply right click on this and delete it. Now that's the first method on how we can delete our saved data. If you haven't had any luck using this method, then there is a second method that we can try. So if we just close out of here, then what you'll need to do is head over to an internet browser and then log into the official Steam website. Now once you're inside of your Steam account here, we're going to come over to this search box and then just search for the game for which the data you're trying to delete. So for me, it's this Age of Empires game over here. And then as you can see in the URL at the top here, you'll have a number relating to this game. So what you need to do is just make a note of this number at the top here. And then we're going to head over to our file explorer. Now you need to locate where your Steam games are saved on your PC, which is usually within your C drive. Inside of program files x86, come all the way down to the Steam folder. Inside of user data at the bottom here, and then you'll have a set of numbers which we just need to double click. And then as you can see, we have a bunch of folders with different numbers inside of here. So all you need to do is find the folder that relates to this number up here. And then we're going to come back over to our Steam and double click on this number. And then you can just delete all of the data inside of here. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you delete your saved data inside of Steam. Like I said, this will only work for local offline games. Now, if this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.